Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Pepe. All right, your daily updates. I mean, like I said yesterday, there's not that much to cover. And when I think about meme coins, I'll cover Bonk as well today and Brett, I think. But when I think about meme coins and potential strength, I still think Pepe is the strongest one out there. What we saw yesterday is some relative strength for meme coins. Today, that's not the case. It's, I mean, most narratives are actually not doing great, but meme coins are not outperforming at all. Yesterday, when we talked about Pepe, what we saw is that in the morning, Pepe was actually gaining some nice momentum, right? So here you can see the open interest was going up. We had some good buy orders coming in. And then apart from that, if you look a little bit earlier, you can also see that we had a very positive reaction initially from the support level at 11,000. So that bullish momentum did continue, right? And we got to move all the way up to the 100 EMA right here and the trend line at 12,800. However, the reaction we got there, I think, is a bearish confirmation, right? Because if you look at the technical structure for Pepe right now, what you can see is that basically since the 27th of May, and we've talked about this before, that this is not new news, but basically since then we started a downtrend. As long as you're respecting that downtrend, which a touch off of this trend line and the 100 EMA is, you're bearish. All right, so purely technically and purely market structure wise, I think Pepe is bearish. I think the loss of momentum we saw overnight, we had some sell-offs in the market overnight as well, confirms that. And I think Pepe just very much just moves together with Bitcoin and is a little bit more bearish against Bitcoin. So that's the situation. Now I still do think that the structure we have for Pepe is quite interesting, all right? Because basically what you have is you have a very strong support level here at 11,000, and then you have some sort of a downtrend running into that level. So that creates some sort of a triangle like this. And then at the same point of time, Bitcoin, in my opinion, could really go both ways. So if Bitcoin turns bullish here, Pepe is at a strong support level, we break out, and we can rally a lot. And then apart from that, the total altcoin market is also near a very strong support level. So there are a lot of factors that are on the surface relatively bullish for Pepe. The thing is that we still need to see confirmation. All right, we have all these factors that can turn bullish for Pepe. So in general, the altcoin market being at support, Bitcoin able to get bullish from here, and then we have a major potential bullish breakout right here for Pepe. And I would assume that there's also a lot of liquidity for Pepe to the supply side. So that's a great area to rally to, and also for whales to push the price up to that level. If you check out, if we can see that, for example, yeah, there's quite a lot of liquidity here at 1.26, right here at least, at the top of the range. So there's all these reasons to get bullish, but we still need to get that confirmation. And I think at this moment, the main confirmation would be a Bitcoin breakout above 66,600. If we can do that, then Pepe will rally. But because there's no momentum right now, and because Bitcoin hasn't broken out, I think it's much more likely to assume we'll consolidate down here, and that eventually, if Bitcoin doesn't get that bullish breakout, we'll get a bearish breakout and a continuation down to 10,000. Excuse me, I have to cough, so I'm cutting the video. Thank you for watching, and take care.